Osotsi.
Madam Speaker, let me also join my colleagues to send my sincere condolences to the family, friends, relatives, and the people of Kakamega County for the loss of Honorable Godliver Omondi. Godliver was a personal friend and a political associate. Madam Speaker, when I was the Secretary General of ANC, I was very, very active in poaching members from other parties. And one of the people I poached from ODM then was Honorable Godliver Omondi, who was a senator. And Godliver came to me and said that I do not want to be a member of parliament or a senator, I want to be an MCA. And Madam Speaker, at that point in our party, we had a controversy on how to choose one aspirant, one candidate among several aspirants who are fighting each other. There were around 15 of them, led by former MP Honorable Murunga. So I tried to convince her to contest for Matungu parliamentary seat, and she said, no, I want to be an MCA. And many people never understood why she wanted to be an MCA. But Madam Speaker, I want to confess that she made a huge contribution in the County Assembly of Kakamega. She put in more energy, put in more tranquility, and Kakamega County Assembly was one of the mature assemblies in this country, courtesy of the contribution of Godliver Omondi. So I have lost a friend, a political associate, and even when I was facing tribulations as a nominated member of parliament in ANC, Godliver Omondi was one of the people who stood with me strongly and openly, despite her disability, to say that we need democracy in this party. When we were not offered that democracy, we all left and joined ODM openly in daytime. And we went to campaign for an ODM candidate in Matungu with Godliver Omondi, even though we were members of ANC. So I have lost a political friend and associate, and I want to join the family to say that we will stand together at this very difficult moment that we have lost our good friend Godliver Omondi. May the Lord rest her soul in eternal peace.
Senator Wakoli Wafula, and then we'll wind that session with Senator Asige.